The Eastern Sierra News brought to you by
T-Bar Social Club, June Lake's newest gathering place, offering June pie, New York-style pizza, and year-round entertainment in a warm, welcoming atmosphere. See you in the Loop.
Well, former Inyo County Sheriff's Department Corporal Nick Vaughn was arrested Thursday by investigators from the Inyo County District Attorney's Office on charges stemming from an alleged misappropriation of public funds. News release from Inyo DA Thomas Hardy states that after an internal investigation, the Inyo Sheriff's Department referred the case to the Inyo's District Attorney's Office for a criminal investigation. After a lengthy investigation, a criminal complaint has been filed charging Vaughn with misappropriating over $10,000 that had been collected by him from participants in the Inyo Sheriff's Department work release program. Now, participants in the program are required to pay certain fees to the department, and it is alleged that a portion of those fees were diverted to Vaughn's personal use or the use of other individuals. Vaughn was the supervisor of the work release program from approximately May 2014 to March 2018. Now, at this time, the news release notes no other employees of the Sheriff's Department are implicated in the investigation. Vaughn was booked at the Inyo County Jail in Independence. Bail on rearrest warrant set at $15,000. DA Hardy reminds the public that a defendant in any criminal case is presumed to be innocent until the contrary is proved beyond a reasonable doubt. Well, Deb Murphy filed this report for Sierra Wave Media. The Mono County Board of Supervisors didn't mince their words or hide their feelings about the massive hydroelectric project proposed for Wheeler Crest, Lower Rock Creek, and Owens River Gorges at the Mono Supervisors Tuesday meeting. What are these people thinking? Are they insane? That was Mono Supervisor Bob Gardner's reaction. Supervisor Stacy Corliss and Jennifer Halferty described the project as horrible and ridiculous and appalling and far-fetched, respectively. Comments from the public were equally adamant. Premium Energy Holding LLC's application to the Federal Energy Regulation Commission for a permit to study the feasibility of the reservoirs and penstocks had no redeeming qualities. Mono Supervisor Fred Stump, whose district would be the site of the project, noted public safety issues with dams above Paradise and Swall Meadows in an area with seismic issues. The FERC imposed restrictions on dams in June Lake because of seismic problems. Gardner added, they're wasting their time. They, meaning Premium, should just go away. Stump started the board discussion with a list of serious flaws in the project: a closed-loop system with water pumped from 3 reservoirs in one or both of the gorges to reservoirs on Wheeler Crest, then set back down the lower reservoirs to generate electricity. Those flaws included the fact that the project would cross private property and interrupt wildlife corridors. Now, Paradise resident Michael Sullivan told the board there was overwhelming opposition to the project following a community meeting. We've sent a letter to the FERC to stop this in its tracks, he said. That letter had 124 signatures. Evan Russell lives at the base of Rock Creek Canyon. He said this would destroy the canyon. It's hard to justify. How did we get to this point? Nora Fogg with Friends of the Inyo asked the Mono board to engage early and often. That sentiment was echoed by the supervisors, who agreed to respond quickly rather than wait until the application was officially in the system and the first public comment period opened. Fogg dropped a bomb during her comments. The Wilderness Act states the president may authorize the establishment and maintenance of reservoirs needed in the public interest, including the road construction and maintenance essential to development. We have limited authority, said Corliss, but we have to dance on the edge of our authority to get things done that we believe in. Thank Deb Murphy for that report. Well, a press release notes that mosquitoes are annoying, but also carry diseases. Local authorities expect large numbers of mosquitoes in our area this spring due to lots of snow melt and runoff. Now, a joint communication from the Mono County Health Department and the Owens Valley Mosquito Abatement Program notes that big snow years can mean big mosquito season, and everyone's expecting some bugs. Rob Miller, Anna Scott, Joe Burns, and Luis Molina help with this news release, which notes West Nile virus has affected people in the eastern Sierra in recent years, although to date it remains uncommon. Now, currently, public health experts are monitoring the spread of the invasive mosquitoes, which have been introduced into the United States from other countries and established themselves from San Diego to the Central Valley. Owens Valley Mosquito Abatement Program staff work with local and state health departments to monitor what mosquito species are present and whether they are carrying diseases that may be transmitted to human or livestock. Mosquitoes are trapped throughout the summer at selected locations around the eastern Sierra and sent to public health labs for testing. Now, according to Rob Miller, Rob's the field supervisor with the Owens Valley Mosquito Abatement Program. Local mosquito abatement programs work to maintain lower mosquito populations using several methods, but good water management and prevention are the safest and easiest ways to manage threats posed by mosquitoes. Residents can help control the insects by eliminating pools of standing water used for breeding by mosquitoes around their yard and neighborhood. Obviously, keep the mosquitoes outside and use insect repellents. Wear long sleeve shirts and long pants for additional protection. Now, if you would like more information on avoiding mosquitoes and, well, staying healthy, you can visit the California Department of Public Health website, Fight the Bite, and you can report mosquito problems to the Owens Valley Mosquito Abatement Program. Call 760-873-7853. And we hate this. More scam phone calls in the eastern Sierra. A news release states the Superior Court of California, County of Inyo, has received several calls from community members stating they received a scam phone call from somebody claiming to be from the court. The caller claims, and when we say claims, we mean we think they're lying, that the person they are calling failed to appear for jury duty and are therefore being fined. Now, the caller uses names of local judges as a means of appearing legitimate. Caller asks for a credit card to pay the fine. This is a scam. The news release notes the Inyo Superior Court does not call people for failing to appear at jury duty. The Inyo Superior Court will not solicit payments of fines over the phone. Now, while there is a failure to appear for jury duty process, it does not include phone calls or payment of fines. Now, if you have received a call or have questions about the jury service, you can always call the jury line at 760-872-2859. We'll be back with more news.